Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are building this LeetCode SQL question series. Today we are going to solve question number 597, friend request 1, overall acceptance rate meta. If you are coming to my channel for the second time, then I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also start sharing my videos to all your friends if you are liking the content. Now let's go to the problem statement. We are given these two tables, friend request and the request accepted table. So this friend request contains request sent by the sender to the acceptor, and request accepted table consists of how many requests has been accepted by the acceptor. What we need to find? We need to find the acceptance rate of the request, which is the number of acceptance divided by the number of requests. Return the answer rounded to 2 decimal places. Also some notes are given. Let us see that the accepted requests are not necessarily from the table friend request. In this case, count the total accepted request no matter whether they are in the original request or not and divide it by the number of requests to get the acceptance rate. It is possible that a sender sends multiple requests to the same receiver and a request could be accepted more than once. In this case, the duplicated requests or the acceptances are only counted once. If there are no requests at all, you should return 0.00 as the accept rate. It's quite simple. This table, this sender and receiver, if we just count the total number of rows and if these columns are unique, then we get the total number of friend requests. If we go to this table, because an acceptor or a receiver can accept the same request multiple times, so we could have duplicated rows here. So we have to count the total number of rows and those should be distinct by these two columns. If we do that, we get the request accepted count. Then what we have to do, we have to just divide this table count by this table count, round to 2 decimal places, and we get the output. If there is no record in these tables, then we have to return as 0.00. I hope you got the clarity. Let me again reiterate. This table will give us the total number of friend request count. This table will give us the total number of request accepted count. Let me go to the data grid and try to write the solution there. I am in the data grid. I have already created both these table, friend request, and let me also just show you. Select star from request accepted. We need to find the distinct count in both these table. Let us do that first. Select star from friend request. I just need to do a count distinct. The first column is sender ID, second column is sent to ID, as this table will give us the total count. Let me just also write for the second request accepted. Let me just go with the count distinct, requester ID and acceptor ID. If I run this query, this should give us 5. This should give us 4. Why 4? Because this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these two are duplicates, so it will be counted as 1 only. So let me do as accepted count. We just need to divide these two columns. For that, I just need to put this in common table expression CTE1 as this and this in the CTE2 as. Now I just do a select star from CTE2. What I need, accepted count divided by total count. Select total count from CTE1. I have to round this to 2 decimal position. So round and round to 2 decimal position. Where I am wrong, one more here. I think so. Now it's okay. If I run this query, I should get 0.8. Let me just check it. 0.8. I have to give this name as accept rate. If I run this query, I got this. Let me try to submit this solution in the LeetCode and see whether there is any syntax error or there is any failed test case. I am in the LeetCode. I have already explained this question 597 to you. This is a premium question. If you do not have the premium version of this LeetCode, then you will not be able to see this question, but I have explained you on the Excel sheet. So I'm just going to submit this solution and let me try to run for the first test case. It's the wrong answer. Why so? Because there is no data in this friend request or the request accepted table, so we have to return 0. So we have to write one more condition, case when accepted count is 0, then I have to return 0.00, else I have to return this and end. If I run this query, I think so I should be able to run this successfully. Sorry, there is a problem here. Is 0 equals to 0 rather than is 0. Now this has been accepted. Let me try to submit for all the test cases here. Yeah, I'm able to beat 6.64% of the users and my solution has been accepted. Let me try to submit once more. Now I'm able to beat 8.75. Let me just submit this for once more. Okay, now I'm able to beat just 6.49%, but yes, our solution is accepted, which is quite okay and nice. If you are liking my content, then please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video to all your friends. If you have any doubt, then please write down in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you there. In just a couple of weeks, we will have a very exhaustive list of SQL questions here, so please stay tuned.